Here's how to draw Pinky Stewie from Garten of BanBan. First, we're going to draw the eye. It's like a bulging curve here. And then connect these lines with a slightly more straight line that's still curved, but less. And then we're going to draw the big pupil. Come over a little ways, and we're going to draw the other eye that's a little lower. And then we connect it. Draw the pupil here. And then we're going to draw a line that comes out to the top. And then it comes down. And then it's going to curve into the eye. Then come over here and we're going to draw an arm coming out. Comes back in. Come over to this side. We'll draw the other arm coming out, and then it curves back in. Then we'll go down, and then it flattens out. Then we connect it. Come up here. We're going to draw right under the eye, draw a line. Then we're going to go down at an angle. And then we're going to curve and come in towards an angle, and then curve the mouth going up, and then connect it. Come on to the middle, and we're going to draw a skinny tooth here and a skinny tooth here, and then just draw more skinny teeth going across the side. Then come to this side and finish the teeth going towards the left. And one final tooth here. And that's how you draw Pinky Stewie from Garten of BanBan. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Be sure to watch the other Garten of BanBan drawing tutorials on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.